Sabi nga nila, sharing is caring. But for me, sharing is beyond caring. Sabi nga nila, bakit ako mag-share? Eh wala din ako. Bakit ako magbibigay? Eh kailangan ko rin. Mas nangangailangan ako. Sharing is not about you have a lot. But sharing is about you want to share your love and your happiness to your fellow man, to your community. Hindi po ako nag-share just to boast na meron ako. I share because I want to tell to everyone, I know the feeling of hunger. I know the feeling of being empty. Kaya habang nabubuhay tayo, habang nandito tayo sa mundo, kahit walang-wala na, kahit nahihirapan na, huwag mo tayong pagkalimot na mag-share at mag-iba sa iba. And I don't want all the children to feel about it. Kasi lahat tayo mahalaga. Lahat tayo ay dapat maging masaya, dapat maging maligaya.
Thank you, Pagawad Lord.